Welcome to an in-depth analysis of the legal challenges facing Donald Trump, as well as his strategies for navigating them. In this comprehensive overview, we'll explore the criminal charges, court appeals, and upcoming trial that Trump is facing, along with the potential implications for his future. In recent months, Donald Trump has found himself embroiled in a series of legal battles that threaten to upend his post-presidential life. From investigations into his business dealings to allegations of election fraud, Trump is facing mounting pressure from multiple fronts. One of the most significant challenges Trump faces is the possibility of criminal charges. Prosecutors in New York and other jurisdictions are reportedly investigating Trump's business practices, including allegations of tax fraud, bank fraud, and insurance fraud. If charges are brought against him, Trump could potentially face serious legal consequences, including fines, probation, or even imprisonment. In addition to criminal charges, Trump is also facing court appeals related to his efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Despite numerous legal challenges and recounts, Trump's claims of widespread voter fraud have been repeatedly rejected by courts across the country. However, Trump and his legal team continue to pursue legal avenues in an attempt to challenge the election results and undermine Joe Biden's presidency. The prospect of a trial looms large for Trump, with the potential for a high-profile legal battle that could further tarnish his legacy. If Trump is indicted and brought to trial, it would mark a historic moment in American politics, with a former president facing criminal charges for the first time in modern history. The trial would undoubtedly attract intense media scrutiny and public attention, further complicating Trump's efforts to maintain his political influence and relevance. Despite the daunting legal challenges he faces, Trump remains defiant and determined to fight back against what he perceives as unjust persecution. In recent statements and interviews, Trump has dismissed the investigations and court appeals against him as politically motivated attacks orchestrated by his opponents. He has vowed to vigorously defend himself against the charges and to clear his name in the eyes of the law. In the event that Trump prevails in court and avoids criminal prosecution, he has hinted at plans to return to the political arena and seek re-election in 2024. Trump remains a polarizing figure within the Republican Party, with a dedicated base of supporters who continue to rally behind him despite his legal troubles. If Trump is able to emerge from his legal battles unscathed, it could potentially bolster his political ambitions and strengthen his position as a dominant force within the GOP. However, the outcome of Trump's legal battles remains uncertain, and the road ahead is fraught with challenges and obstacles. As investigations continue and court appeals progress, the legal fate of Donald Trump hangs in the balance, with far-reaching implications for his future and the future of American politics. In conclusion, Donald Trump's legal troubles represent a critical juncture in his post-presidential life, with the potential for criminal charges, court appeals, and a high-profile trial looming large on the horizon. As Trump prepares to face these challenges head-on, the stakes could not be higher, with the outcome likely to shape the trajectory of his political career and legacy for years to come.